Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a free virtual card that you can use for free trials without using your real credit card. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open up any browser and search for freevcc.online. Once you land on the site, go ahead and create a free account. It only takes a minute. Now once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. On the right-hand side, you'll see your virtual card. From here, you can add funds to the card, see your card number, change the card, freeze or block it, and even reveal the CVV/SVC number. This virtual card works on many websites, so you can simply add it during sign-up and claim your free trials without worrying about getting charged later. And that's basically it, a quick and easy way to get a free virtual card for testing out services or grabbing those free trials. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips like this.